Asia Cup 2025, Pakistan Team Squad. First time on this channel, subscribe now, let's start it.
Player number 1, Captain Salman Ali Aga. Player number 2, top order batter and right arm off-break bowler Saim Ayub. Player number 3, top order batter Sahibzada Farhan.
Player number 4, top order batter Hasan Nawaz. Player number 5, wicket keeper batter Muhammad Harris. Who will be the top scorer and top wicket taker for Pakistan in Asia Cup? Write in comment section. Player number 6, top order batsman Fakhar Zaman. Number 7, fast bowler Shaheen Shah Afridi. Number 8, fast bowler Rauf. Player number 9, fast bowler Hasan Ali. Number 10, left arm wrist spinner Sufyan Muqeem. Number 11, mystery spinner Abrar Ahmad. Write Pakistan team playing 11 in Asia Cup in the comments section. Let's see who make the good team. Number 12, all-rounder Mohammad Nawaz. Number 13, all-rounder Hussein Talat. Player number 14, bowling all-rounder Waseem Jr. Number 15, fast bowler Salman Ali Mirza. Number 16, batting all-rounder Khushdil Shah. Number 17, all-rounder Faheem Ashraf. Like the video if you want a Pakistan win this Asia Cup. Subscribe the channel for latest cricket updates. Thanks for watching the video.